Step 4 of RMF Explained, Assessing Security Controls, GovTech Series. You sitting at your desk with the RMF process chart on the screen. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Barryfishermann. And today we're breaking down Step 4 of the Risk Management Framework, Assess Security Controls. If you've been following the RMF series, you already know by now we've selected and implemented our controls. Now it's time to prove they actually work. Let's get into it. RMF Step 4, Assess Security Controls. In Step 4, the goal is to determine if the security controls implemented in Step 3 are effective. This is where the Security Control Assessor, or SCA, comes into play. They perform an independent assessment to verify that your system's controls are properly implemented, operating as intended, and producing the desired security outcomes. Think of this step like a final exam for your system. You've studied, built, and configured everything. Now someone comes in to grade your work. The assessment process usually involves a mix of automated scans and manual checks. For example, ACAS scans check for missing patches or vulnerabilities. STIG checklists validate configuration compliance. And documentation reviews ensure all your policies, procedures, and artifacts match what's actually running in your environment. The assessor will document all their findings in a Security Assessment Report, SAR. This is the key output of Step 4. The SAR highlights what's working, what's not, and any vulnerabilities that might require remediation before your system can be authorized. The results from this step will directly feed into Step 5, Authorize the System. That's where leadership decides if your system's residual risk is acceptable. So, the more accurate and thorough your assessment is here, the smoother your authorization process will go. So that's RMF Step 4 in a nutshell. Assess security controls. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you've ever been part of an RMF assessment, and don't forget to subscribe for more GovTech content. Next up, we'll be covering Step 5, Authorize the System. Stay tuned and keep securing those networks.